And today the POP guys have come and they are finishing the walls where it has been replastered. So they are making these grooves because the level of the tile and the wall, POP wall, is the same. So it gives a better finishing. They are removing the extra cement and they will finish it. They have covered the platform so that it doesn't get spoiled too much. They have covered the floor also with floor protector sheets. This wire will be brought here, 2 inches away from the corner and 2 inches above the tile finish within the cabinet. There's a gap behind the cabinet, so it will be easily passed down to the light below the cabinet. Same thing they'll do here. The cabinet is in line with this, so 2 inches from here and 2 inches from here. They'll bring the wire here. The wire should be long enough, that's very important, for the electrician to be able to have enough distance of the light below the cabinet. So here we are today. This is where we stand. Once the POP is done, this false ceiling dummy beam will have to be made to conceal this conduiting and the cornice which is broken, this cornice, POP cornice which is broken, gypsum. This cornice will have to be made again inside and outside the kitchen. This wall has been newly made. Even this will be finished in POP plaster. That's all for today, guys. For those who have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you so much. This is how they do the grooving. He has this metal tool which has got a shape projecting out, and this is how he levels the wall to finish it smooth. For the painter, it will be ready.